This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Ram headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Make sure you have the correct H13 replacement bulb for your specific model. Always park your truck on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off before you begin any work. Safety first. With your hood open, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts positioned at the top of the headlight assembly. Next, find the rubber access plug inside the fender well, behind the headlight. Remove this plug to access and remove the 10mm nut located there. Once all fasteners are out, gently pull the headlight assembly straight forward to release it from its clips. Now that the assembly is out, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing, then carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new H13 bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands to prevent premature failure. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket and twist clockwise to secure it. Once the new bulb is in, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its opening, ensuring all tabs align. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts at the top and the 10mm nut behind the fender liner, tightening them securely. Before closing the hood, turn on your truck and test the new headlight to confirm both high and low beams function correctly. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.